Okay guys, welcome back to the channel. It's Lee. So, I started a project this morning and as with anything, it evolved into a bunny trail. Don't judge. So like you go into our master bathroom, bleh, can't even talk now. You go into our master bathroom. Vanity's on the right. Bathroom closet's here. You know, that's the closet. This is the shower and toilet. And then of course we have the garden tub here, which one parenthesis fell. Now, I've been trying to convince my wife for some time now to let me revamp this bathroom. I want to rip out the garden tub that's behind us here, put a full shower. One of the very nice tile floor to ceiling, stand in, walk in, have a little bench in the back, shower. I think it'd look amazing. And then in this room here, we would actually rip out the shower and make it a full bathroom with a little cabinet in there. You know, because it's just stupid. So, she's not game for this project. I'm convinced I'm gonna wear her down. I just haven't yet. So, as you can see here, there was a door right here. Like, why do you need a door right there, with a door right there, with a door right there? Oh, that's right, you don't need 3 doors. So I pulled it off this morning. My wife's been talking to me about it, and we've been here for over a year now. And I've been hem-hawing because I keep trying to convince her to let me redo the bathroom, but we're not there yet. But, so she tells me she'd love to see the door off because she feels like it would give it more space in here. And I must admit, just removing that doorway that covered the tub part here really has made a world of difference. It's made the bathroom already feel bigger. But when you're standing back from this, okay, it looks very, I mean, it just looks, so I come up with a brilliant idea, as all my ideas are brilliant, that I would go to the dollar store, specifically Family Dollar, buy a shower curtain rod, just the twist out kind, nothing fancy, and I'm gonna hang it up there. My wife will tell you that teeth are not tools, so don't tell her I just did that. So, I went through all of our shears because apparently we have a shear collection, and I found these that I really liked. They kind of have a little bit of a pattern to them. I think they'll be kind of cute. We're going to find out and see. I don't know. We're hoping so. Fingers crossed. I haven't liked this bathroom since we've moved in. Wasn't enough not to buy the house, mind you. It just, I didn't like it, you know? It was a very poorly laid out design, in my opinion. So, since I've not had any success wearing down my wife just yet on revamping it, at least this way it looks a little bit nicer than what it presently is. Well, that's what I'm hoping for, I should say. That's what I'm hoping for. And that's how, folks, she broke her leg. Does it look level? I can't tell. Oh, that is so not level. That is so not level, folks. You're not gonna tell me that. How's that look? That look better? You're not gonna tell me, are you? Get back, Tips. Move. Get a big dog, they said. It'll be great, they said. Big dogs stand underneath your feet. That's what big dogs do. So my thought process is, pull it back. Oh yeah, I like this. Now, I went into our plethora of colors that we have around the house in our fabric room. I picked up these 3 colors here to choose which one will look best as a tie back. I don't know. Our walls are kind of a greenish color, so I figured if I brought them in to compare, I'd have a better idea. Let me chew look too, huh? So that's what we're looking at. I'm gonna say no to this one right out. I don't feel like that one complements as well. So that brings it down to these 2. This one I feel like blends in quite a bit, where this one's got a little bit of contrast. Now, the rod is dark. So maybe, yeah, I think maybe that one. We're gonna see. But, I didn't bring scissors. So hopefully I'll go get scissors. Okay guys. So in the garage I got some little hooks just for the hook backs to hold them back. Now hopefully this will actually spruce up the bathroom a little bit and make it look a little bit nicer. Just until I can wear my wife's dad to let me revamp it. Well, this one's not wanting to go in. There she is. Maybe. Come on. Not that difficult. There she is. But regardless, we're bringing you along for the adventure. Ugh. Which one did I say? I think it was this one, right? Yeah. So, all I'm gonna do is cut some little strips to make little tie backs. So I'm hoping not to have to do anything spectacular with this. I'm hoping just to kind of wing it. Hoping to wing it. What I'm trying to do is hide my tie knot and hide the seams where I cut, because I'm not actually putting a sewn stitch in it, so I don't really need anything fantastic there. I just don't want my edges to show. Now, something simple. $10 rod at the dollar store. The curtains we had on hand, the material we had on hand, and the white paint to cover up the hinges we had on hand. So 10 bucks. But it makes a little difference, doesn't it? Very, very, very romantic. Very much setting the scene. Put a couple candles in there and I'll be set. Well guys, that's it. That's all I got for you today. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you liked it. If you do, comment down below. If you don't comment. No, I'm teasing. If you don't like it, tell us. We don't mind. I really do feel like it made a world of difference. It definitely makes the room feel a little bit more cozy. A little bit more, you know. I gotta do something with the pine litter, of course, but it definitely gives it a nice little cleaner look, I think. And kind of, I don't know, I like it. And especially removing the door really kind of helps sets this area off. As always, thanks for watching, and until next time, toodles. I really need to. Oh yeah, wait till Boof gets a look at that. I think she's gonna like that. That's pretty snazzy. So cute. Only a couple candles set in there. And that'd be sad, wouldn't it? I'm gonna have to do something like that.